Is master register record book blueprint of all exercise worksheet and activity, in which list of content is counting 1 to 100, reverse counting, count, color and write, color and draw the shapes, join the dots, fill in the blank with digit, counting and coloring, circle the big one bigger, color the big one, count, color, circle, matching of digit, matching of shapes, color the small one smaller, color the small digit, cut the digit when I speak, fill the missing number, fill the missing words, letter, matching of number to words, count and write, fill in the blanks, finish the game by filling missing numbers, fill the tummy of spell bee, match number, drop to word cloud, count and compare, count and draw the object, write yourself, 1 to 20 in words, circle the between, cross the before, underline the after, counting, coloring, matching, dictation of shapes, triangle, rectangle, square, circle, heart, star, cone, cylindrical, cube, semicircle, dictation of digits, table of 1 2 3 4, write number into word 1 to 20, addition, subtraction, ascending order, compare, circle the big, circle the small, what come after, what come before, what come between, descending order, counting 1 to 200, counting, carry forward till 1000, multiplication, divide, sum, division. So this is counting 1 to 100, reverse counting 100 to 1. Color, count and write. Here I draw some pictures and child should count the each object and write the number in box. Color and draw the shapes. I wrote the name of the shape and child should draw each shapes. Join the dots. I make the dots and she join the objects. Fill in the blanks. Here is counting from 71 to 89, then 50, 29. This is for counting. Okay, and now counting, coloring. Circle the big one, color the big one, count, color, circle. Matching of digit, color the small one, circle the smallest, matching of shape, cut the digit when I speak, in which this is kind of dictation of digit. Fill the missing number, fill the missing words, matching of number to words, count and write, fill in the blank, fill in the blank of digit, finish the game by filling missing number, fill the tummy of spell bee, number drops to word cloud, count and compare, count and draw the object, write yourself 1 to 20 in words. Circle the between, cross the before, underline, color the after. When I speak, may use highlighter. Counting, coloring, matching. Dictation of shapes. Table of 1, 2, 3, 4. Dictation of digits. I really proud of my daughter because she is doing all the thing in the age of 4. Write number in words. Addition. Subtraction. Ascending order. Compare. Circle the big, circle the small. What come after? What come before? Again, what come after? What come before? Again, what come before? Again, what come before? Cut the digit when I speak. Dictation of digit. What come between? What come between? Compare. Descending order. Reverse counting. Counting 1 to 200. First 1 to 100, then 100 to 200. I must say she is very hardworking, but when she is kid, now not so. 200 to 300, 70 to 370, 371, 741, 811, 11. Dictation of digit. Reverse counting 20 to 1. Write the missing number. Dictation of words. Younger Avya is so hardworking. Fill in the blanks. Multiply. divide, number before and after, write the number that come before and after. Counting 100 to 189, no, 100 to 231. Circle the big one. Matching of digit, matching of number to words, circle the smaller, cut the digit when I speak, fill the missing number, fill the missing words, again counting